by Lizzie Petrowski, Chloe Jensen, Isabel Bartelli. Hypothesis. Our hypothesis for our coffee bean clears your palate experiment was this. We thought the coffee beans would work. We thought they would clear your palate because the scent of the coffee beans would neutralize the scent of the fragrances. Materials. 1. Coffee beans. 2. 18 fragrances. 3. Bowl. 4. 6 testers. And 5 sampling cards. Procedure. Collect 6 people. Lay out the fragrance sampling cards. Spray 1 spritz of perfume or cologne on the card. Have one of the aforementioned people smell the card and rate the intensity on a level from 1 to 10. Repeat with all other people. Continue the same process with the rest of the perfumes and colognes. Have everyone rate the intensity on a scale of 1 to 10. After a day has passed, have the same people repeat the process but smell a bowl of coffee beans in between each scent. Record intensity. Results. Abby Cunningham, Luke Stuck, Emma Boudet, Sean Bradley, Lizzie Petrowski, Isabel Bartelli did an average intensity without coffee beans and an average intensity with coffee beans. We found that Abby Cunningham, Emma Boudet, Lizzie Petrowski, and Isabel Bartelli had a lower percentage for average intensity without coffee beans than boys did. Here's a pie graph showing our results. The blue is a decrease in average intensity with the coffee beans, and the pink is an increase in average intensity with the coffee beans. Fun fact. New York Times states that women have a better sense of smell than men. They can detect odors and identify the scent longer than men can. Studies show that women's sense of smell is also more reliable. This can explain why the boys in our experiment had different results from the girls. Independent variable. The independent variable in our experiment would be the coffee beans. That is the only thing we purposely changed. The dependent variable. The dependent variable is how intense the perfume smells to you. This is what's supposed to change because of the coffee beans. Constants. The order of scents, the amount of scents, the same people, the order of people, the same testing area, the same material sampling cards, the amount of fragrance sprayed on the card. Conclusion. The outcome of our experiment shows that our hypothesis was correct. For most people, coffee beans do indeed clear their palate while smelling fragrances. This makes sense to us because the coffee beans neutralize the lingering perfume and cologne scent.